Maryland's battle against the coronavirus continues. In the past day, more than 2,300 cases were reported and more than 255,000 Marylanders have been infected. Deaths and hospitalizations also rose, but the positivity rate dips. Hello again, I'm Max McGee. Today, Baltimore County Executive John Olszewski held a press conference to give an update on the coronavirus fight. He had several reminders for county residents on how to stay safe during the holidays.
This holiday season, it's more important than ever for us all to do the right thing. We need to send holiday greetings from afar rather than in person. We need to keep limits to our own households. We need to do whatever we can to keep our loved ones safe so that we can come back together next year. We need to wear masks.
The county executive added these strict measures are necessary to curb the spread of the virus until a vaccine is widely available. The checks will be in the mail soon. That's the word from the Treasury Secretary after approval last night of the long-awaited second round of economic aid. Skylar Henry has the latest for WJZ from Washington.
The Trump administration says pandemic relief checks will start arriving right after Christmas.
People are going to see this money the beginning of next week. So it's very fast.
The motion to concur is agreed to.
Congress passed the nearly $900 billion COVID aid package late last night after months of fighting. $600 checks will go to individuals who make less than $75,000 a year, or couples making less than $150,000. There's also an additional $600 per child. Individuals who make more than $75,000 but less than $87,000 will receive reduced checks. For couples, the benefits completely phase out at $174,000.
The White House says President Trump will sign the bill, but the massive documents must first be put on parchment paper and reviewed by administration lawyers.
I personally think it's long past due. Millions of Americans have been waiting for some type of relief for a long time.
While many people are welcoming the help, some feel it's too little, too late.
This has been so mishandled. We have no idea when it's going to end. And so these Band-Aids and these little stopgaps are not acceptable.
Lawmakers admit both sides had to make compromises. Democrats and President-elect Joe Biden say they will propose a new round of relief in January. Skylar Henry, CBS News, Washington.
Okay, a short time ago, Governor Hogan released a statement on the passage of the relief package. It reads in part, while it doesn't do enough, this bill delivers on a number of top Maryland priorities. It provides critical resources for vaccine distribution, rental assistance, and K-12 education while extending unemployment insurance programs. He also says he hoped there would be money for states, but this is better than nothing. As the push continues to create trust in the vaccines, more government officials are getting the shot. Today, Dr. Anthony Fauci joined the list by getting his first dose of the Moderna vaccine. He called getting the shot an honor. The Health and Human Secretary and the Director of the National Institute of Health received the vaccine today. President-elect Joe Biden was vaccinated yesterday. There's a new warning about fake coronavirus testing sites popping up across Baltimore City. Maryland Attorney General Brian Frosh says his office has found two locations, one outside the dollar store on East Monument Street and another in Westside Shopping Center on Frederick Avenue. The sites are unlicensed, and the scammers running them are collecting things like your social security number, date of birth, and DNA, all of which can be used to steal your identity. Health departments are changing their tune on contact tracing. They want people who test positive for COVID-19 to warn friends, family, and coworkers themselves. Strained health agencies say that while the do-it-yourself tracing is not ideal, it's likely the most effective way to reach people who may be at risk. Health officials say it's taking too long before tracers learn of positive tests.